Hello everyone, I am Rushkesh. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to learn simple interest which comes under quantitative aptitude. First I will cover up the quantitative aptitude playlist. Later on I will start logical aptitude. Okay, so before learning simple interest we have to learn the basics of percentage. I will tell all the shortcuts, tips and tricks which comes under simple interest so that we can solve the problems in 1 minute. Okay. So we are going to use the quantitative aptitude book by Dr. R.S. Agarwal. Okay. So price देखिए 467 rupees है. I will give the link of this in description, so you can buy the book from there. Okay. So as I said before, learning simple interest we must know the basics of percentage, just basics. Okay. I will take percentage in deep after a few days. Okay. So first we must know the 10%, 5% and 1%. How to find this? Okay, because these are very important. First, if you want to find 10% of any number, you will just divide it by 10. Okay, if you want to find 10%, just divide it by 10. Let's see, 10% of 300, that will be, as I said, 300 by 10, that is 30. Okay, so you will get, if you want to find 10% of 450, let's see, so 450 divided by 10, you will get 45. Okay, then as I said, if you want to find 10%, 5% and 1%, if you want to find 5%, just divide it by 10% half. Let's see, when we find 300, 10% will be 30. If you want to 5%, that will be 10%, 5% column and 1% column, divided by, just a minute. Okay, so 10% is 30, 5% will be 15 and 1% will be 3. Whenever you want to find 10%, divide by 10. Okay, whenever you want to find 5%, divide the 10% by 2. Okay, that's why I said we must find 10%, and later on if we want to find 1%, divide by 100. Okay, why we are finding 10%, 5% and 1%? Because whenever you have to find 25% of, let's see, 500, how will you just, you will do that 25 into 500 or 100, just you can do that also, so that you will get the 125. This is one method, but you can do again one method, 20% plus 5%, that you can do by orally also. Let's say 20% will be, first we will find 10%. What is the 10% of 500? That is 50, multiply by 2, so you will get the 20%, that is 100. And what is the 5%? as 10% is 50, that is half will be 25. That's why 100 plus 25, we will get 125. You can do it in your mind, no need to write just 25. Do the two parts of 25 as 20% plus 5%, or you can do that 30% minus 5% also. So what will be the 30% of 500? That is 150, minus 5% is, let's see, 10% of 500 will be 50. What is 5%? Half of it, that is 25. So 150 minus 25, you will get 125. There are two methods, by doing the addition or by subtraction. When you have to find, let's see, 39%, so do 40% minus 1%. This will be efficient than 30% plus 9%. So you must know that you have to do the addition or subtraction to find the percentage. Okay, let's see, whenever you want to find 31%, you will do the addition, 30% plus 1%, right? Don't do 40 minus 9%, that won't be good. Okay, so I think everyone got this. Let's see few examples. Let's see, if you want, if I want to find 23% of 700, so first I will what do, 20% plus 3%. Okay, so what is the 20% of 700? That is 10% is 70, so 20% will be 140 plus, now if you want to 3%, first find 1%, that will be 7, multiply it by 3, it will, you will get the 3%, that is 21. add 21 here, so we will get the 161 as the 23% of 700. So you can do it orally also. Let's take another example. If you want to find 38% of 800, okay, so first we will convert 38% into two parts, 40% minus 2%. so first find 40% of 800. What is the 10%? 80. Multiply by it by 4. 8 4 the what is 32, that is 320 will be the 40%. okay, so now find the 2%, that will be first 1% is 8, so 2% will be 16, that is we are going to minus it, so we will get the answer 304 will be the 38% of 800. This is the technique, you can do it in your mind also. Let's see, I will take one more example and just do it orally. okay, let's see if you want to find 42% of 500. okay, first find the 40%. what will the 40% of 500? That is 200 plus 2%, that will be 10. so what will be the answer? 210 will be the answer. I do it orally. okay, so you can do it this also, but you have to practice, you have to give your whole day to this. okay, just by watching video or just reading the some questions or tricks, you will be unable to get the answers within one time. okay, if you want to get the answer within one time, you have to do the practice daily. okay, don't give the gaps to the practice. okay, so I think everyone is clear with the percentage basics. okay, so let's move towards the simple interest concepts. okay, so as you can see on the screen, simple interest. okay, so what is the formula for simple interest? P into R into T divided by 100 is the formula to get the simple interest. And amount, that is amount equal to what? Simple interest plus P. so what are the PRT terms? so P stands for principal, R stands for rate, and T stands for time. Sometimes you can write P into R into N also. N also stands for the time. okay, so I think everyone got this. First, simple interest formula is PRT by 100. whenever you want to find the total amount, that is simple interest plus P. so PRT stands for P equal to principal, R equal to rate, and T equal to time. okay, everyone clear with this? Let's move toward the questions now. okay, I will solve each and every type of questions. I will take one question on each and every type. okay, first, okay, find the simple interest on 68,000. so 68,000 is our P, that is principal, at the rate of 16 2 by 3%. how to solve this? I will tell you. This is the rate per annum for 9 months. this is our time. so you got PRT. so what is our formula? Simple interest equal to PRT by 100, right? so first we will convert that. so first take the given data. P equal to 68,000, R equal to 16 2 by 3. how to solve this? we will first multiply this. 16 3 is 48 plus add this, so plus 2, that is what is that? 50 by 3. so we can write this form into this. okay, everyone got this? how we write 16 2 by 3%? first we multiply the 16 into 3, that becomes 48 plus 2, that becomes 50 divided by 3. okay, I think everyone got this, how to solve these types of percent in to get the normal form. so we can directly write now rate as 50 by 3 and annum, that is time, that is 9 months. so we have to convert months into year. so 9 by 12. why I am taking 12? as 12 months equal to 1 year. so 3 by 4 years. okay, so as I converted 9 months to years, so we get the answer as, so T will be 3 by 4 years. okay, we have to convert the forms into the exact forms. okay, so we get everything, we get the desired given data. so what is the formula for simple interest? Simple interest equal to what is P? 68,000 multiply by rate, rate is 50 divided by 3 into year, year what is 3 by 4 divided by 100, divide it. so we will just divide this 100 3 4. so we will get, by solving this we will get the answer as 8,500. basics division is there. okay, anyone can do. 3 3 get cancelled, 4 divided by this we will get the answer. okay, 4 1s are 4, 4 7s are 170 multiplied by 50, you will get the answer as 8500. okay, so first we have to see the given data and write it. okay, so that you can, so 68,000 will be P, 62 2 by 3 will be the R, then 9 months will be the what is T. So you get PRT, so you can easily find the simple interest, as simple interest stands for PRT by 100. I think everyone got this. okay, so let's move towards the next question. okay, here is a hint also, just okay, first I will complete all the problems by formula, later on I will tell the trick, because tricks are always don't work. okay, sometimes the problems are tricky and hard, you have to go by only formula. okay, so let's move to the next problem, that is find the simple interest on rupees 3000. okay, so we got 3000 means our P is 3000 at the rate 6.1/4%. so you must know how to solve this 6.1/4%. okay, I have already told in last question. okay, so this is our rate per annum for the period of from 4th Feb to 18th April. This is the tricky one. okay, they are now mentioning the dates. okay, so there is a hint also how to solve this question. first I will tell you. First let's write the given data as P equal to 3000, rate is 6 1 by just a minute 1 by 4. so 6 into 4 will be 24 plus 1, that is 25/4. so rate we will write as directly 25/4. I hope everyone got this, don't get confused this. okay, and time is, now it will be in days. okay, so 4th Feb, now the hint is the day on which money is deposited is not considered. so 4th Feb will not be considered, while the day on which the money is withdrawn will be counted. so 18th Feb will be counted. so 4th Feb plus see 2009 is not leap year, so Feb month contains 28 days. so 4th will not be counted, so 28 minus 4, that will remain with 24. so this month 24, later on April months 18, and the difference between Feb is January, Feb, directly you will get to know that there is one month also, that is 31 we have to add. so we will get the addition as 73 days. okay, so here time is 73 days. now we have to convert into the professional or the basic form, that is basic term, that is years. so 73 we will divide by 365, so that is 1/5 years. okay, this type of question was asked in TCS drive. okay, so everyone must know that whenever the dates are given, from the date that is given is not considered, but the date which is last will be considered. okay, as the 4th Feb 28 days for those, then April's 18 days and 31 days for the middle. okay, March months. okay, so you must count that if the other month is coming, that is 30 days month or 31 days. okay, so remember that thing. okay, so we got the data. I will write the data from right starting. okay, so P as 3000, then R as 25/4, and time as 1/5 years. that is simple. so now what we will do, simple interest equal to PRT by 100, that is 3000 into 25/4 into 1/5 and divide by 100. so let's divide this 5 5s are, so 150/4 will be the answer, that is we will get the answer as 37.50. okay, many times the answer is in numbers, that is 150/4, sometimes it is in fraction. I think everyone got this hint. Again I am telling that whenever the day which that deposited money won't be counted, and the day where at the end will be counted. okay, first try to find the given data from the question. okay, later on you can directly get this. okay, so this was the second time question. let's move to third question. okay, if the simple interest occurred on an amount 2500, okay, next at the end of 6 year is 18 and 75. So 2500 is our P. At the end of 6 years means our T, okay, is 1875. This is simple interest. Again read, the simple interest occurred on amount 2500, that is P. At the end of 6 years they have given the T is 1875, that is simple interest. What would be the simple interest occurred on the amount 6008? Again there is a one another P, that is let's consider P2 at the same rate and same period. So first let's find the data. They are providing P as 2500, time as 6 years, R they don't have mentioned, so we have to find the R, and simple interest as 1875. They are asking us to find the simple interest on this amount using the rate and same period for the last one. So they have provided us two values for each. So first we have to find the R and just use this R and T to find the simple interest on this, okay. Okay, so let's move towards, first we have to find the R, okay. So basically first let's take simple interest equal to formula. I don't mention that here, now directly I will solve the questions, okay. I think everyone is okay with that. 1875 equal to P, what is P? 2500 into R we have to find into 6 by 100. So divide this. So if you want to find the R, it will be 1875 divided by 25 into 6, right. So you will get the R as 12.5, that you can write as this also 12 or 1 by 2, you can write this, okay. So we find the R here, right. Just a minute. So we got the value of R. Not what they are asking, they have mentioned the P2, that is principal, as 6875, and asking that find the simple interest on the same rate. So what is the rate? Just we not found 12.5 and the same period. So R, so T will be also 6. So just we got all the three values. So we have to find the simple interest on the second term. So what will be simple as 6875 multiply by 12 into 1 by 2 into 6 divided by 100. After solving this you will get the simple interest, that is 5156.5. You can use it calculator also, by in hand you can also solve this. So basically they have given us the first P1, P2 and T, okay, and SI. So first you have to find using T simple interest and P1 the rate, okay. For later on they have mentioned as P2 and T. You got this R, use that R here and find the simple interest using this, okay. I think everyone got this. It is very easy, just see, they have mentioned two principles, simple rates and this. There is a one term missing, just you have to find that term and use that term to solve this next problem, okay. This one, got it. So let's move toward the next question. This one was the third one. A sum of 800 amounts to 920 in 3 years at the simple interest. If the interest rate is increased by 3%, would amount how much? Amount will be how much, okay. So first learn the question again, read the questions properly to get the given details, okay. First they are mentioning that 800 amounts to 920 in 3 years. So we can basically find the simple interest here, as 800 becomes 920. So simple interest will be 920 minus 800, because he is getting 120 rupees simple interest, that's why his amount is becoming 920. As what is the formula for amount? Amount will be equal to simple interest plus P, right. So we can find the simple interest by subtracting the new amount minus old amount, okay. So we got the simple interest as 120, even they have mentioned the time as 3 years. So if the interest increased by 3%, how much would be the amount will be, okay. So first we find the simple interest, that is then T is mentioned. Now we have to find the R, which is not present. We can find it easily, okay. So just R equal to what will the formula, or basically use our older formula. We can just simple interest equal to what is the principal? Principal is 800 into time is 3 into R is not mentioned, divided by 100, 0 0 get cancelled. So 120 divided by 8 by 3, 3 4 ja 48 5, so R we get as 5%, right? So now they are mentioning that if the interest rate is increased by 3%, how much amount we will get. Okay, so first we will increase the rate. Okay, just now the conditions are, as P will be 800, T is 3 years, and we got the rate as 5, but now they are asking to increase 3%, so we will add the 3, that is now new rate is 8%. So find the amount that we will get. So first we have to find simple interest. Simple interest equal to 800 into 3 into 8 by 100. Got it? Divide this. So simple interest that we are going to get will be 192, but this is the simple interest. Don't get confused, they are asking for amount. So what is the formula for amount? Amount equal to simple interest plus P. Okay, so what is simple interest? 192. What is P? 800. So amount will be 992. Okay, everyone got this? Whenever they ask for the amount, you have to add the simple interest and P. Don't answer as a simple interest. They will provide the MCQs as 192 also and 992. Okay, don't get confused between simple interest and amount. Amount is equal to simple interest plus P. Okay, this one is important one. Don't get confused. Okay, let's move towards the next question. Okay, this one is the bigger one and easy one. Just don't get this one is so big, how can I solve? They don't just mention too much words, but we want to get the given data. You can easily see. So Adam borrowed some money at the rate of 6%. You got the rate for first years. You got the T at the rate of 9%. Again they are mentioning R2 as 9% for next 3 years, again 3 years, and the rate of 14% for a period beyond 5 years. Next 5 years will be for 14%. If it is total 11,400 interest at the end of 9 years. So total there are 9 years. First 2 years are mentioned here, next 3 years are here. So 2 plus 3 5. So remaining 4 years will be used for this 14%. Okay, how much money did he borrow? Okay, first we will find that. Let's see, let's take P as a or principal as P. Okay, later on, first the rate is given as 6% for 2 years. Okay, this was the first condition. Next, the rate 2 was R2 will be 9% and the time was 3 years, and R3 was 14%, but they didn't give the T. We have to find, because they are mentioning that he invested the money for 9 years, where the 2 years are used here, 3 years are used here. So 2 plus 3 5. So remaining 4 years will be used by 14%. Okay, so everyone got this R1, R2 and R3. So what will we do? We have to do the find the simple interest. They are mentioning the simple interest of for all three. So we will add all three, the simple interest for all three. Just let's take the P first. R is 6 into what is the year 2 by 100 plus for P into 9 into 3 by 100 plus P into 14 into what was the year for that? 4, right? By 100. You can see 2 plus 3 plus 4 will be 9, as they have mentioned 9 years, equal to 11400 will be the simple interest. So we have to just solve this equation. Okay, it is very simple. Just take that. So we will get that 3P by 25, divide it. Okay, 2 6. Okay, we will get that 25 plus 27P by 100 plus 14P by 25 equal to 11400. Okay, later on we have to solve this again. So we will get as 95P by 100 equal to 11400. Just divide that and you will get the P as 12000, that is 12,000. Okay, I think everyone got this. Just listen. First try to get the given data. They have mentioned 3%, that is we have to add. Okay, as there he is mentioning that he pays total interest, he is saying total, that means we have to add this. Okay, I think everyone got this. Try to solve these types of equation 2 to 3 questions you must solve by yourself. Then and then you are able to solve any type of questions. Okay, just by solving one question you will never be able to solve these types of questions. Okay, I am just giving here a demo and teaching the technique, but you have to practice more and more questions to get the perfection in this. Okay, let's move to the next. A certain sum of money amounts to 1008 in 2 years and 1164 in 3 by half years. Find the sum and rate. First, let's see. We can find the simple interest easily. Subtract 2 years and 3 by 1 year. So 1.5 years simple interest will be 1164 minus 1008. Okay, so just listen, 1164 minus 1008, how much we will get that? For 1.5 years we will get it as 156. So we want to find for 1 year, equal to question mark, do the cross multiplication, you will get the 1 year for 2 years. Let's take for the 2 years. Okay, so 2 years simple interest will become the 208. Okay, so we got the 2 years simple interest. Okay, so we got the year simple interest, we have the P, so we can find easily the, sorry, we have the amount. Okay, so we can find easily the simple interest. Okay, so let's move towards this again. So first I will tell you that we got the simple interest as, so we got the simple interest as 208 just by solving for years, that is T2. So and P will be 1008 minus 2008. How will it become? That is 800. Okay, so we got the simple interest, year, that is time, and P. So directly we can find the R. 208 equal to PRN. What is P? 800. We don't know the R into time. What is T? Divided by 100. Solve this. You will get the rate also, that is 13%. So they were asking for the sum and the rate of interest. We got the both. Okay, so as the sum will be 800 and the rate is 13%. Just subtract these two terms. Okay, we got this for 2 years and this for 3.5 years. If we subtract, we get the simple interest for the what remaining years. Okay, 1.5, that is what we get, that 1156 something. Okay, right, 156 for 1.5 years. So we will get find 1 year or 2 years simple interest, that we got the 208, or for 1 year 104. Then we got this, then we will subtract this from this amount to get the simple interest, because the formula says amount equal to simple interest plus P, right? I think everyone got this. Okay, watch again and again video to understand the question. Okay, read next question and try. Okay, I am giving just 10 seconds. Okay, let's read this. At what rate the simple interest a certain sum will be doubled in 15 years? Okay, this was very important question asked in Wipro and TCS. Okay, TCS and Wipro, both same question was asked in TCS and Wipro. Okay, first he is asking simple interest sum will be double in, so he want the amount to be double, right? So let's understand, if amount is 1000, if he want to be become the, if he want the double amount, then the simple interest he must get 1000. Let's take I have taken 1000 rupees from someone. Okay, if he want the double of that, so I have to pay the 1000 of simple interest. Okay, समझे, मैंने किसी से 1000 रुपये उधार लिए, उसको अगर डबल चाहिए तो मुझे उसके ऊपर का ब्याज कितना देना पड़ेगा? 1000 रुपीज मुझे उसे ब्याज देना पड़ेगा, राइट, है ना? सो सिंपली वी कैन से दैट सिंपल इंटरेस्ट विल बी इक्वल टू द प्रिंसिपल, राइट? सो लेट्स टेक सिंपल इंटरेस्ट इक्वल टू पी, देन पी इक्वल टू पी एंड टी दे हैव गिवन 15 years. Find the R. Okay, so simple interest equal to PRT by 100. So simple interest is P equal to P, R we don't know, T we know, that is 15 by 100. So PP get cancel, R remains, so we get the answer as, so rate will we get the answer as a rate equal to 6 2 by 3. We get the answer in percentage. I have done in this way. Okay, so understand, if the user wants the double is here, so simple interest will be equal to P. If the user wants the triple, so simple interest will be double of P. If he wants the 4 times, so simple interest will be 3 times of P. Why this is? Because understand this, if the amount becomes double, then he must get the simple interest as equal to the principal. Okay, let's take, I have given 1000 rupees to someone. If he pay 1000 rupees, then I don't get the double. If he want the double, उसे अगर डबल चाहिए तो उसे मेरे को सिंपल इंटरेस्ट भी उसी अमाउंट की इतना देना पड़ेगा, और ट्रिपल चाहिए तो मुझे उसको सिंपल इंटरेस्ट अमाउंट के डबल देना पड़ेगा. सो वेन एवर ही आस्क फॉर द double, you will take the simple interest and P equal to same. When he asks for the triple, you will take the simple interest as 2P. When he asks the simple interest for 4 times, you will take the simple interest 3P. Let's take one example. Let's see if we want the triple. Okay, so simple interest will be 2P. Take 1 minus. Okay, whenever they ask for 3 times, take it 2P. Whenever they ask for 4 times, take it 3P. Okay, so 2P equal to P into R into, let's take for 10 years by 100. I will solve this, so become PP get cancelled, so rate is 2%. If he want 4 times, so we will take simple interest as 3P equal to P into R by T. Let's take T as 10 by 100. Get cancelled, so R is 3%. Okay, I think everyone got this. Okay, let's move toward the next question. Okay, I will take basically how many questions are there? Okay, 13 questions. So we are at now 8 questions, just 5 questions remain. Okay, on a certain sum, the simple interest at the end of 12 by half years becomes 3 by 4th of sum. Okay, so here we have to consider something and add this. Okay, what is the rate of interest? So they are first mentioning T as 12 by, so we can 12 1 by 2, that I can write as 25 by 2. 12 into 2 becomes 24 plus 1 by 2. So T will be 25 by 2, becomes 3/4 of the sum. Let's take the principal or sum as P. Okay, so sum as P, I have considered sum as P. So first we got the T as 25 by 2. Okay, so simple interest will be 3 by 4th of sum. What is sum? P. So 3 by 4th of P. Okay, so we have what we have to find? We have to find the R, right? So basically simple, just you must get the given data. If you are able to find the given data, you can solve any question. Okay, so what is the formula for simple interest? PRT by 100. So what is simple interest? 3 by 4th of sum, that is we have taken P. So P into what is R, that we have to find for T. T what is that? 25 by 2. 100. Okay, 25 4 the 4 8 the PP get cancelled. Okay, so what we are going to do? 3 into 8 by 4 equal to R. 4 2 the, so R we get as 6%. Very simple. You can directly solve this question within minute. If you solve these types of questions through to 2 to 3 times, you will directly get what we have to do. Okay, just by watching the video or just by solving one time, you will never get the exact logic behind this. Okay, you have to solve these types of 3 to 4 questions, or just change values by yourself. No need to find anything, just change the values by yourself. Just 3 by 4 make it 5 by 4, 12 by 1 by 2 make it 3 by 1 by 2. You will get a new question. They are going to do the same. They will just change the values. Pattern will be same, logic will be same, just the values are going to change. I think everyone got this question. Let's move toward the next. Okay, a certain sum money becomes 3 times of itself. Okay, in 20 years at the simple interest. Okay, here it is becomes 3 times of itself. A sum becomes, means here it becomes 2p, as I told. If in how many years does it become double of itself at the same rate of the simple interest? So first we have to find the, let's take the principal as p. Okay, I will write principal totally. Okay, so principal as p, then simple interest will be, as 3 times means make 1 less, that is 2p, and then what they have mentioned, time for 20 years. Simple, just we have to find now R. They are providing P, S, I and T, 3 terms are here. You can easily find the R. right? So let's move toward this. So simple interest equal to PRT by 100. Okay, so SI is 2P, P is P, we have to find the R. What is T? That is 20 by 100, this becomes 5, PP get cancelled, 5 comes here, so R becomes 10. Okay, we got the R now. Okay, so now we got the now the next condition. What we have to find? We have to find the double. Okay, so what is the meaning of double? The simple interest will be for next question. Okay, that is mentioned. For double, simple interest will be P, make one less. Okay, next what we got R, that is 10%. Okay, and it becomes the double of itself for same rate. Okay, in how many years? Okay, so यहाँ पे T निकालना है. We have to find the T. We know the simple interest, we know the rate, we can easily find the T. We have to find the rate from the first condition. This was the first condition, this is the second one. So directly use simple interest equal to PRT. What is P? That is P into R is 10. We have to find the T by 100, divide it. Okay, so remain with 10. So T will be 10 years. Okay, I think everyone got this. Okay, so T is 100, sorry, T is 10. So just again I will tell the logic. First they have mentioned some money becomes 3 times. So simple interest will be, I will write here, simple interest will be 2P. Here 20, they are providing time also, that is 20. Here at the simple interest, in how many years it becomes double. So here from here second conditions are, this is the first. From first condition, from first you have to find the R, and from second they are asking to find the time. If you know the R, you can find easily time. In first condition you know simple interest, time and principal. Okay, so you can find the R. In second condition they are providing the simple interest, R and P, you can find T. If three variables are present or three types of value you know, you can find the fourth one easily. Okay, I think everyone got this. Let's move towards the next one. This is also the important one. So first read the question. The simple interest on a certain sum money for 2.5 years at 12% per annum is 40 rupees less than the simple interest on the sum of same sum. For same sum means the yes sum will be P for both for 3.5 years at 10% per annum. ओके 40 लेस मतलब समझे उसने मुझे 1000 रुपीज दिए तो उसका टोटल अमाउंट 1200 हुआ. अगर वही 1000 रुपीज वो किसी और को देता तो उसको 1300 मिल रहे थे. तो हम क्या करेंगे, सब्ट्रैक्ट करने के बाद हमें क्या मिलेगा, वैल्यू. दैट्स दे आर प्रोडिंग पर 40 लेस. ओके, दैट्स मीन वी हैव टू subtract these two conditions. Okay, so first read that question again to get the exact idea about that. Okay, just a minute, just give me a minute. Okay, so first let's take the sum. Oh sorry. Okay, let's take the sum as x. Okay, then we have to find the PRN minus second, means first condition minus second condition equal to 40. So first is what is PRN, we have taken sum as x, so P will be x into what is the R, 2 1 by 2, that will become, so first point we have to, I am again telling the 2 1 by 2, 2 into 2 4 plus 1 5, so 5 by 2, so 5 divided by 2 will be R. For T, how much T, okay, so this was the year, sorry, and the what is T, that is 12 divided by 100 minus what is the second condition, 3 by 2 years per 10, x into 10 into 3 by 2, that becomes 3 to the 6 plus 1, that is 7 by 200 equal to 40. That's it, just solve this question, you will get the answer. 2 6 the 520, 3 by 20. Just after solving this you will get the answer as, let's see, 7x minus 20 minus 3x by 10 equal to 40. Again after solving this you will get x equal to 40 into 20, so x will be 800. That is sum that they are asking, find the sum. First we have taken the sum as x. Okay, by solving the equation you will get this form and you will get the x. just understand that whenever they are providing two conditions, read the equation properly. Again, the simple interest on a certain sum, money becomes 2.5 years at 12% per annum is 40 less, that is they are providing the difference, that is 40. So we have to divide this first and second condition. Okay, try to solve this. Again, if you don't get it, ask me in comment section. In next video I will again explain this. Okay, next, a sum was put at simple interest for a certain rate, that is 3 years. Okay, so we get the time. Had it been put for 2% higher rate, it would have faced 360 rupees more. Again, they are providing difference, so we have to, what we have to do, subtract first in condition minus second. What is first condition? Sum was put, so let's take the sum as x. Put simple interest, let's take the interest as r, they don't mention that also, at a rate for 3 years, just they have mentioned the 3. And what next condition is? R plus 2. So very simple. First xrn will be first, the next condition we have to take x into what is rate? R plus 2 into how much years they are mentioning. Had it been put 2% higher rate, it would have faced 360 rupees more, means that time will be same, that is 3 years, divided by 100 minus what is the first condition, that is x into r into 3 by 100 equal to how much they are get, what difference? 360. I think you even got this. After solving this, you will get the equation as 3pr, that is 3xr. I have taken the sum here x as, okay, so 3xr plus 6x minus 3xr equal to 36000. After solving this, r will be get cancelled and you will get the x as 6000. Okay, just solve this equation properly, you will get the answer. As they see, 3xr and minus 3xr get cancelled, we remove the 6x, divide by 6, you will get the answer as 6000. Okay, just understand that when they are saying that they fetch more money or the less 40%, that means that you have to decide the first condition and second condition. Okay, I think everyone got this. Very simple question, just solve it 2 to 3 times, you will definitely get the solution. Okay, next question, a sum of 1550 is lent out into two parts, one at 8% and another at 6%. If the total annual income, see, total means we have to add. Okay, income is 106, find the money lent at each other. This problem can be solved by taking two variables and can be solved by taking one variable. So we are going to solve this by one variable. Okay, just a minute. Here is that. Just a minute. Try to solve by yourself. I am finding another question. Okay, so first what is given, let's take the sum as x. Okay, so what is the formula? PRN. What is PX? What is the R? First condition, that is 8% into, see, he is mentioning annual, means T will be 1 by 100 plus, because total income, so plus again this, first I have taken the sum as x, so next sum will be 1550 minus x. First part is x, so second part will be 1550 minus x into what is the percent? 6 for 1 year by 100 equal to what is the total simplicity we are getting? 106. I think everyone got this, how we take these two. Again, or you can take here also that 1550 minus x or x. Okay, or you can just say that x plus y equal to 1. For two variables you have to do this, x plus y equal to 1550. First in condition this you will write y 1550 minus y, and here you will write 1550 minus x, but better you solve it by one variable, you will get the answer very fastly. Next we have to just find the equation, that is 8x by 100 minus, by solving this you will get the values regarding that also. Okay, and you have to solve this. Okay, so by solving this equation you will the x as 650, so you get the one part. Okay, you get the one part as 650, you got the x1 this part but for next one you have to subtract that. 1550 minus 650, right? So x1 you got, for x2 you have to subtract this, so x2 you will get as 900. okay, or by directly you can solve this question. Check the MCQs or the options they are providing, check for which to get the addition as 1550. sometimes they just, there is one option which you can get the addition as 1550. okay, you can directly find the answer by choosing the options. okay, last question. okay, a man invested 1/3 of his capital. So let's take the capital as, that is capital means same. okay, they are using different words. okay, let's take the capital as x at 7%, 1/4 at 8%, and the remaining at the 10%. if his annual income is rupees 516, find the capital. so annual means we have to add this total, as he is providing 1/3, 1/4 of the year. so let's take the answer as the, so capital is x, x into what is the year, 1/3, what is the rate, 7. again we have to do addition, as he is providing annual means total. okay, then x, what is the remaining here, 1/4, multiply by 1/4 into what is the percent, 8%, divide, okay, by divide by 100. here also you have to divide by 100, that is because formula is PRN by 100, into last one is important as remaining. so we have to find that 1 minus 1/3 plus 1/4 into what is the remaining, what is the percent, 10 into 1/100, you will equal to what is there again, 561. after solving this you will get the answer as 7x/300 here, plus later on x/50, because 4 2s are 250s, okay, plus here you will get x/24. after solving this, 1 3s are 4 plus 1 7/12, 12 minus 1 5/12. after that you have to solve, equal to what is that, 561. after solving this equation you will get x as 6600. basically just try to get this equation from the question. if you are able to find this equation, you will definitely get the answer. okay, so we have, I have explained basically 13 questions of different types. try to solve, just pause the video, try to solve by yourself. if you are unable to watch the video, again try it. okay, you will definitely get this. okay, so if you like this video, like the button, subscribe to my channel to get the updates related off campus. and as I started the quantitative aptitude, I will start and complete this aptitude playlist within 30 days. okay, we are going to complete 22 chapters. okay, next chapter will be compound interest, that is totally based on simple interest. if you are able to find simple interest, then and then only you can find the compound interest. okay, so at the last, as I said, I will tell you the hint. okay, so those who are here, they will know the hint. okay, let's take the principal as 1000, T as 5 years and rate as 10%. whenever we want to find the simple directly without using formula, we can find. let's take, what is 1000, so what is the, will be the 10% of 1000, that will be divided by 10, 100 into 5. so simple interest will be 500. just you have to find the percent and multiply it by years. whenever, let's take 2000, I have taken with the percent of 10 for 10 years. what will be 2000, 10%, 200 for how much years, 5. so output will be 1000. okay, again let's take one more example. let's take here, okay, just a minute, 3000, 3000. okay, so 3000's 10%, 5. what will be the 10% of 3000, 300, multiply by 5. the simple interest will be 15500. you can check the answers by formulas that I am taking truth or not. okay, let's take again one more example. I will change the percent also, everything also. okay, so here 3%, 5, and here 2500. first for 5% you must take the 10%. what will be the 10%, 250, half of do it 125. so 5% will be 125, multiply by 3, 125 multiply by 3. so simple interest will be 375. you can do it orally if you know this trick. okay, just find the percent, multiply it by the years, you will get the simple interest. okay, again thanks for watching the video. like the video, subscribe to my channel, and share this video with your friends. bye bye, take care, have a good day.